Okay, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Prince and I'm a student of ACTS and I'm studying reconstruction. So now I'm going to present the presentation about gathering priced components into a tender submission. So in my presentation, so I'm talking about so before going to the project, so how we can manage our project, how we can take all the details before starting our construction. So we have to take all the details before going to the construction. So if we want to construct a good building, so we have to collect all the information before going to the site. So these are my contents for my presentation. I'm going to talking about strategies for sourcing supplies, quotations, soliciting competitive and accurate quotations, criteria for evaluating quotations, quality, compliance and cost competitiveness assessment, negotiation techniques for favorable prices and contractual terms, and last one is conclusion. So firstly, we have to adopt these strategies, how we can take the quotations from different suppliers. So we have to analyze we have to take all the quotations from different suppliers. After that, we have to analyze how we can get the good material at less cost and how we can take the durable materials for our building. So these are the key points for this point. So the procurement of remains vital for creating both prices and cost assessments along with tenders. So we are going with the tenders as well. So second one is research and shortlisting. Establish relationship with trustful suppliers by attending industry events. So we have to make the relationship with the good supplier who have the good image in the construction industry, so we can go with the good products. Second one is diversity sources. So we have to take the different sources to collect all the data from the different suppliers. And the third one is technology. So when we are taking the quotations from different suppliers, we have to go with the technology as well. So if we are not going with the technologies, so we have to lose some part in our building. So second one is soliciting competitive and accurate quotations. So when we are taking the quotations from different suppliers, after that we have to analyze which quotation is good for our construction project. So these are the key points for this. So first one is clear project specifications. So firstly we have to analyze the specifications. So which specifications are given by the different quotations and different suppliers. Second one is deadline. You should establish specific timelines for which to reach so that your processing time stays smooth. So we have to establish our specific timeline so we can complete the quotations on time. The third one is communication. You need to maintain active communication with suppliers for the purpose of solving their questions and verifications. So we have to make a good communication with our suppliers and with our quotation person who give us the quotation. So we have to make a good communication so we can take the details as soon as possible and we can go for it. Second one is, and the last one is, the nature of tender should be emphasized to supplier in order to obtain their optimal offers. So we have to make a good connection so we can take their offers as well. So third one is criteria for evaluating quotations. So now we are going to have a look about the criteria. So what criteria we have, so we can take the good quotations and we can apply them for our building. So first one is price competitiveness. So firstly we have to take the quotations from different suppliers. After that we are going to evaluate which items we are taking from less price from different from different suppliers. So in this, by this thing, we can take the good price at cheap price. We can take the good item at cheap price. So second one is supplier reputation. So we are going to have a look about the supplier reputation as well. So which type of supplier reputation in the construction industry? So if our supplier reputation is good in construction industry, so we don't need to take any hesitation to take the goods from that supplier. Third one is compliance. So we have also checked the items and quotations comply with the New Zealand Building Code and other standards which we have to comply with the New Zealand Building Terms and Conditions. Fourth one is delivery timeline. We also need to check how long they are taking time to deliver the goods. If their time is too long, so we have to take the goods from another supplier who are going to give the who are going to give the delivery to the time. So last one is create a system with scoring criteria or checklist that enable objective comparison of the available quotations. So now the fourth one, quality, compliance and cost competitiveness assessment. So these are the key points of this one. So first one is quality assurance. So if we are going to take any quotations from different suppliers, they are going to give the quality assurance to us. So we have checked that quality assurance as we are going to take the quotations. And supplier should offer either product samples or reference upon request. So we are going to request to the supplier. So they might give us they should offer us the project sample and references. And third one is compliance. Check should verify that all quotations follow both legal and environmental and safety standards. So we are going to have a look about the safety standards and environmental safety standards as well. Fourth one is cost competitiveness. The selection of materials should follow cost quality analysis which maintains project performance level. And the last one is risk assessment. Enable potential risks such as delays together with cost overrun possibility while developing strategies to mitigate these issues. So we are going to check the risk assessments as well, so we can mitigate our delays and risks. So now last one is negotiation techniques for favorable pricing and contractual terms. After did all that 4 steps, so last one is negotiation. When we took all quotations from different suppliers, after that we have to negotiate how we can get the good quality of product in cheap price. So first one is building relationship. Competitiveness of long-term partnership form the foundation for suppliers to build trusting relationship with their customers. So firstly we have to look which supplier have a good relationship with the different customers, and we also have a look how the customers are happy to take the goods from that supplier. The second one is leveraging volume. Customers of businesses should seek price discounts by purchasing more goods in a single transaction or placing multiple orders. So we are going to have a look about how much product we want, so we can take at one order. They are not going to deliver at one by one. Third one is payment terms. So we also have a look about how they are going to take the payment. Like sometimes they are taking the 5% advance, 10% advance. So we have to have a look how they want. So fourth one is delivery schedules. So we also need to manage the delivery schedules, what time they are going to deliver and what time we want. So if our time will not match with the delivery, so there is no point of view to take that quotation. So we are going to take that quotation which we can take the deliveries on time. So last one is contractual terms. So we are also need to have a look about contractual terms. So if our every element within the terms and conditions need a clear definition, which includes warranties and dispute resolution step. We also need to take contractual terms. So if we have any disputes and any delays, so we can have a look on these terms. So now this is the last one. So this is conclusion. So the conclusion, so summary is for this presentation is that. So firstly, we are going to take the all quotations from the different suppliers. After that, we are going to have a look how their quotations will work with us. And after that, we are analyzing the prices from different quotations from different suppliers. After that, we have a look how these quotations will be fit in our construction project. And the last one is negotiation. So we have to negotiate how they are going to deliver, how they are going to manage the terms and conditions, and how the payments method they want. So these are the references for my presentation. Yep, thank you.
Thank you, Prince. Thanks for explanation. I have a question to you. How is it the best supplier from the market?
So firstly, sir, we have a look how many suppliers in our industry. So we are going to take the quotations from all the suppliers. After that, we will analyze they have any previous past background or not. If they have, so we are going to have a look how their relationship with the old customers are happy or not.
How is it the competitive and accurate quotations? Have you selected competitive and accurate quotation?
Yeah, so accurate quotation and competitive means, so the quotations will be accurate for our project. So if we are going to manage our project, so if our project need this much quantity and we have this much budget, so if the quotations are same, so we can manage that.
What is benchmarking?
So benchmarking generally, sir, we have a look for similar project that we are going. So we are going to have a look of that project, how much they done, like for budget and time. So we will have a look and we will go for as much as same for our project.
Okay, what contractual terms and conditions have to be considered on when we are going to contract with the suppliers?
So generally, sir, firstly, like how much advance they want, and second, their quotations and their product will go with the terms and conditions of New Zealand Building Code and other standards. And moreover, we can say have a look about the delivery time and other schedules.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, global 15-minute break. Come to 20.